Three northeastern women were harassed in Chennai during an Indian Super League football match as a man danced assortedly in front of them and made obscene gestures. The racist incident caught on camera shows a man at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium making obnoxious moves in front of a crowd at, in fact, three northeastern women there who can be seen cringing in their seats. As soon as the goon continues to harass and mock the women, many spectators gawk in silence but do not make any attempts also to stop him, while some cheer him on there. As the perpetrators turn back to the women, one of them pushes him, only inciting them to mock them further. While the video sparked outrage on social media, actor John Abraham, who owns the Northeastern FC, issued a public statement in which he said that he stands by the girl who was victimized by the incident and is sure to personally meet her. And he said to the perpetrators, he calls him a fake fan, and further saying that he will find him and ensure that he is punished and made to apologize for his behavior. Support also came in from the Chennai FC, which calls the other team playing at the stadium. They also said on Twitter, and I quote, Chennai FC has a very strict and firm policy against racism and the unbecoming behaviour in the stadium. The club strongly condemns any such act, it said. We are looking into such incidents and we will take strong action against it.